My name is Tony Cook, and this is my 2023 third semester issue tracker. So, this project in particular, I think, is my best work that I've ever created so far in my career. I've learned several techniques while making this, with the joining of both a front end and a back end, and using databases. A few things I would do differently is probably adding less comments in my code.
Oh my goodness!
So we started with making a basic schema for how we wanted our collections to look. So we have a user, a bug, role, and edits. Once we have a collection schema like this, then in our code we'll connect it to our database, MongoDB. After we connect it, we connect our 4 collections that we made right here, and it'll end up looking like this. Then we give permissions and roles to users so that they can view things, and certain roles have certain permissions. So pretty much a technical manager can do a lot of things, and a developer can do just the basics. Then after we get the database and our collections working, we then connect the front end via our local host and our gcloud account. So our gcloud pretty much is what lets us host it onto a live service. So I have to make one for both my back end and my front end. Then we connect with cores our back end link that we make here, and that's what lets me have my front end work on the back end. So some features of my site are that it allows for the creation of bugs and users. You can read and view them, you can update them and delete them. You can view lists of individual bugs and user items. You can view a user profile made that has all your information on it. A user can log in and register to save their accounts, and you can shoot bugs. And time for the live demo. Here is my live issue tracker front end. As you can see, here is my gcloud URL. So this is my homepage. When a user gets on the homepage, they will see some basic information of what they should expect. They can explore and view bugs, they can report bugs, and they can see comments. So next, they will see my main feature that I added into my issue tracker. It is a little game. So whenever they hover over this little guy, they'll shoot him, get taken to the bug game page, where they will see this. Their goal is to get as many points as they want until they're bored, pretty much. So anytime they shoot a bug, they will gain 1 point. Some confetti will come out, a little sound will play, and that's pretty much it. But if a user is logged in, the points will save, and they will be added to a leaderboard based on the other users in the database. So I'm going to shoot the little bug. As you can see, the little sound played and some confetti came out, and I got 1 point. Shot him again. You can mute it as well because that sound gets very annoying. And there we go. So as you can see, I am not logged in because I have very little options to choose from. But since we are testing, I'm going to register a new account. So I am going to, let's see, video account made, give a name, video, I don't know, email address. We'll just make some crazy because we're just testing. Gmail, password, and I'm gonna hit register, and there we go. User video account made, added with an ID of, and it'll show you your ID. So now we can see everything this site has to offer. So if we go to profile, as you can see, I am recording on Sunday. Happy Sunday, video account made. There's my little profile picture. Everyone by default is this goofy little dog. And since I just made this account, I've shot 0 bugs. So I'm going to go to the leaderboard and see what I have to beat. So let's see. To get on the leaderboard, I have to have above 2. So to beat Trey Sucks, I'm going to have to kill 3 bugs. So let's go to the bug shooter. I'm going to mute it because you guys already heard it, and God forbid it is annoying after you've tested it so many times. So by default, the little bug will always be shaken, trying to get your attention, and it gives you just an easy point. So there we go. Oh, I missed. Scrolled halfway down the page. There we go. And there we go. 3. I am going to now go to my profile again. As you can see, I've shot 3 bugs. And if I visit the leaderboard, video account made, 3 shot. So now I'm 4th place, right in line with Trey right here. So now I can see the other parts of my issue tracker. If I go to my bug list, I will go to the top of the page. So the last bug made was epic bug made. So here's what it looks like. I am going to make my own bug. So I will go to add bug, title. I think it said epic bug was the last one, so we'll make a lame bug. You know, it's not that cool. This bug's lame. What are the steps? To make lame bug, make a bug, add a step, make it lame. We'll add another step. Never mind, I'm not that creative. Step 3, report. As you can see, bug lame, bug added, with an ID of, shows you the ID, by user video account made. So now, if we go to the list, we can see the bug we just made, lame bug. So there it is, this bug's lame. You will see information like who added it, steps to reproduce, there's our steps, classification. By default, all bugs are unclassified, test cases, and some comments. So if I come in, you know what, we'll add a comment real quick. We'll say, this bug sucks. Straight up. Submit. Video account made, this bug sucks. There we go. I'll go to the top. You know what, I'm going to update it. This bug is actually really cool now. Cool bug. Description. This bug's cool. Then I'm going to save it. As you can see, bug lame has been updated to cool bug. This bug's cool. Hooray. So now, as you can see, it is updated. We can go back. Cool bug. So now, let's say I want to search by oldest because I'm seeing the newest. So you can do search. You can search by many things. You can search by keywords. You can search by their classification. You can search by the age of it, if it's closed or not, and the other items like title, classification, assigned to, so on and so forth. So I want to find the oldest bugs. So let's see. So here's the oldest bug I have. So if I scroll down to page 2, you can see cool bug. Because it's brand new, it'll be the last bug there. If we come up, let's say newest. And there we go, cool bug. So now, let's go to the user list. So here I am, video account made. The user list just kind of has some basic stuff, you know, for others to see, like your name and your roles and your email. So if I go back, I can also search by some other things, oldest, newest, by roles. Let's see, I just want to see developers. So there we are, developer, 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 so on and so forth. Here's God with all his developer roles. Or let's say I want to search for, let's just see God. I'll search God, and there he is. We can see what's up. User's roles, there's all the roles he has. So now we can log out. There we are. So I am going to log in as God since he had all those roles. We'll see what God can do. I think I just messed my password up. Yep. So a little error will show. Log in. There we go. Welcome God, you are logged in. Yay. I can go to the user list and I can edit any user I want. So here's the new dude we just made, video account made. You know what? Let's change him to lame account made. There we go. I'll save him. Lame account made. There we are. So I'll go back, lame account made. I'll type in lame. And there he is. Lame account. We'll go to the bugs. What bug did he added? Cool bug? I think it was lame bug normally. But we're gonna rechange it to lame bug. There we go. You know what? We're gonna do some other things. We're gonna make some new steps. We're gonna say make it lame. Make it extra lame. So we just added a new step. We will say classification of approved. We will assign it to a new user. So whenever I assign it to a new user, once they log in, they have access to edit this bug as well. So here's Trey Sucks. We'll assign it to Trey Sucks. And we will close this bug. We're going to save it. As you can see, some information shows up. So let's see, bug creation information. Yep, looks all good. Steps to reproduce. Here's our new bug, or new step that we just added. Classification, approved by God. Test cases, we have not added a test case yet. And bug closed, true. So now, if we go to test cases, let's say I added one. Test case title, epic title, can't think of anything. What version does it release on? It released on version 1. Epic title, passed, no. Applied fix on date, hasn't been fixed because it didn't pass on version 1. So now, we can also, how many bugs has God shot? He has shot 55. So I'm going to go to the leaderboard. I'm in first place. Let's shoot one more. I'm going to shoot one more. Let's see. There we go. Now if I go back to my profile, 57, go to the leaderboard, still number 1, baby, let's go. And I just realized I don't like lame bug. I'm going to delete it. So here's how you delete bugs. Shoot the bug to delete it. It's simple. There we go. And it's gone. So that is my 2023 third semester issue tracker.